Hi everyone, welcome back to Nitro Electronic. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and efficient water pump using a DC motor and a syringe. This is a fun and educational project that you can easily do at home. Materials needed. Before we get started, here are the materials you'll need. 1. A DC motor, often called an armature. 2. A syringe. 3. Some tubing. 4. A power source, like a battery. 5. Some wires. 6. Electrical tape or a glue gun. 7. Scissors or a cutter. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Preparing the syringe. First, take your syringe and remove the plunger. We'll use the body of the syringe to create the main chamber of our pump. 2. Attaching the tubing. Attach one end of the tubing to the nozzle of the syringe. This will act as the outlet for the water. 3. Connecting the DC motor. Next, we'll attach the DC motor to the syringe. Place the motor in a position where its shaft aligns with the plunger rod of the syringe. You can use electrical tape or a glue gun to secure it in place. Ensure it's tight so it doesn't slip. 4. Wiring the motor. Now connect the wires to the motor terminals. Attach the other ends of the wires to your power source. Be careful with the polarity to make sure the motor spins in the correct direction to push water through the syringe. 5. Testing the pump. Once everything is connected, it's time to test your water pump. Submerge the inlet of the syringe in water and turn on the power. The motor should spin and push water through the tubing. What's happening here is quite simple. The DC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, which moves the plunger inside the syringe. This movement creates suction, drawing water into the syringe and then pushing it out through the tubing. Safety tips. Always be careful when working with electrical components. Ensure your connections are secure to avoid any short circuits. Also, handle the syringe and other sharp tools with care. And there you have it, a simple DIY water pump made with a DC motor and a syringe. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational DIY projects. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.